Now do the 50. That's right, guys. Everybody wants to know what's going on with the 2024 KTM Husky and Gas 50s and 65s. We know there are all new bikes coming. How do we know? From these photos. Kids have already been racing these over in Austria. From what we're hearing, this bike build was called Project Mongoose. Why? Because a mongoose kills a cobra. I don't really know much about these bikes. Here's the 65, but what I can tell you is I expect an announcement on these bikes anytime. And the rumors are multiple horsepower gains, new engines, new clutches, complete new bikes with the bodywork to match the big bikes. So I would say by the end of this month, we see an announcement, and these bikes might be in the showroom by next month, or definitely by the end of the year. So I know there's a lot of parents looking for 50s right now that can't find them. Just hold the phone and look for this announcement any day. I'll keep you guys posted.